Medicine has been an integral part of my life from an early age. My father was a primary care doctor, and my mother was his nurse in a rural town in southern New Jersey. They practiced out of the first floor of our large Victorian home, which also housed our family of 8 children. I remember they'd start seeing patients early in the morning and continue until late in the evening. And I'd often run into his patients in the store or on the street, and they'd mention that he had diagnosed their appendicitis or delivered their baby or treated their sore throat. And I realized that my father was spending his life helping people in their time of need. And I've always wanted to follow in his footsteps. Although I went to medical school expecting to become an internist, once I witnessed my first orthopedic case, I became enthralled by a whole new dimension of patient care. Doctors using state-of-the-art technology to solve biomechanical problems and fix broken and diseased bones and joints. Currently, about 90% of my practice involves the medical and surgical treatment of shoulder problems, ranging from chronic conditions like arthritis and rotator cuff problems to acute injuries like fractures and dislocations. Well, I think that one of the things I really love about orthopedics is that we use tools to fix things. And my father and my grandfather both had well-supplied workshops in their basements, and they encouraged me to use the tools to build things and fix things. And I really liked fixing things. And that involves, first figuring out what went wrong, and then fixing it so that it won't happen again, and so that it will last. And orthopedics, if anything, uses tools. And I like it that I use the tools that I used in my youth, but each year they come out with new, amazing new tools that allow us to do things that we couldn't even do when I was in training. After completing my orthopedic training, my goal was to practice state-of-the-art orthopedic surgery in a community setting with other committed surgeons, and I've been very fortunate to have found that at Hampton Roads Orthopedics and Sports Medicine.